the next thing we're gonna make is Dalgona coffee. All of us are staying home with COVID these days, so we cannot really enjoy the coffees that we used to buy from Starbucks. This is a substitute coffee that is extremely delicious, so let's get started. So this is half a tablespoon. I'm gonna do 5 packets, because more you have, it's easy to whisk it up. So I'm gonna do 5 packets. That's 2.5 tablespoons. So one there. It's easy to open, as you can see. It's equal parts sugar, so it's 2.5 tablespoons of sugar. To the mixture, add 2.5 tablespoons of water. Add the coffee to the cold milk and enjoy. It's so delicious, oh my god. Okay everyone, that's the end of the video. You can purchase the products online at atomy.com. All the products are available to members at wholesale price. Sign up to be a member. It is easy, simple, and free. You just need to be referred by a current member. And once you become a member, you can earn cash back on products that you refer to other people. If you're interested and would like to learn more about Atomy and the products offered, please contact me. I'll help you get started. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Atomy Library. Thanks!